Assalamu alaikum and good morning to you all. How are you, dear kids? Hope you all are fine. Stay home, stay safe. This is our math class and I'm your teacher Lubna. Previously, we have finished our lesson data sorting. We have a new chapter. The name of the chapter is problem solving. Let's start a topic. In this chapter, we will learn how to solve the problems and which types of method we will use to solve our problems. So, we start from what is problem solving. The definition of problem solving is a process of finding solution of a problem in an easy and efficient way. We have many plans to solve a problem, but here we will discuss 4 main steps to solve a problem. Steps in problem solving. There are 4 main steps to solving a maths problem. Number 1, understand the problem. Number 2, make a plan. Number 3, carry out the plan. And number 4, check your answer correctly. Let's look at each one separately. Understand the problem. When you read a word problem, it's important that you have to understand it before you are trying to solve it. You should fully understand each step of the problem. Read carefully once, then read it again. Looking for important clue means keyword, important numbers, also the questions the problem asks. Better to underline the important information. We should understand the question very well. Once you understand the problem, then you have time to make a best plan to solve the question. And then you can choose the best possibility to solve the problem. Step number 2, making the plan. In this step, we know how can we solve the problem. Looking for clues and keywords. Draw a number line. Draw a picture. Simplify the problem. Make a chart or table. Once you have chosen the best way to solve the problem, you can find the correct solution of the problem. Think properly before you start to write the answer. You need to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Number 3, carry out the plan. Now you have a plan to work out on the problem. You can use a notebook to solve a problem. It will take your time for more thinking. Also, you think that your plan will work or not. Or after working on this plan, you will get the correct answer. Step number 4, look back. The final step to solve any problem, it is to check your answer. If you find that your answer is not appropriate, go back to the first step and read your question carefully. Then choose another technique to solve your problem. This is our problem-solving model. In this model, we can see our 4 steps. Number 1 step is understand the problem. In this step, we have to understand what the question is telling us to do. Next is make a plan. In this step, we think which technique is the best to solve the problem. The third one is carry out the plan. In this step, we carry out the plan that we just made to solve the problem and get the correct answer. Last and the final step. In this step, we have to check whether the answer is correct or not. In case of wrong answer, we repeat the step carefully. Here, I have one easy example for you. In this example, we will use our 4 steps to make it clear and easy. The example is Kinsey has 4 hats and Batul has 6 hats. How many do they have altogether? Listen carefully. I am reading this question again for you. Kinsey has 4 hats and Batul has 6 hats. How many do they have altogether? Now we start to write the steps. Our first step is to understand the problem. In this step, I need to find out the total number of heads. Then, in next step, we make a plan to solve this problem. I can count the number of heads. In third step, we carry out the plan. To solve this step, we have to draw these heads on the paper so you can understand more easily. Kinsey has 4 heads, so we draw 4 heads here. Batul has 6 heads, so we draw 6 heads. Now we are going to count them. 4 plus 6. 4 heads plus 6 heads equal to 10 heads. So, the number of heads is 10 heads. The last and the final step is look back. Means check your answer. Is the calculation correct? The question is asking how many heads they have altogether. Altogether means put all the items together. We also call it addition. We use counting technique to solve this problem. So, our answer is 10 heads. And this is the correct answer. If the answer is not correct, then we have to repeat these steps until the answer is correct. So dear students, this is the end of today's lesson. We will continue our topic in next video. See you next time. Bye bye.